girl.
Pretty awful when doctor's offices, they don't even answer their own phone.
That is kind of weird.
Mom, I'm videotaping.
Oh, sorry.
Keep it going, keep it going.
Rosie, I'm stuck.
He's videotaping.
I'm stuck. That.
You're
I'm
not.
stuck out there.
She's gonna look at me. No, you're not.
Okay, big finish. Do it as fast as you can.
She can do good, can't she?
Yes, you can.
Look at that.